What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are doing good on this awesome Monday, last Monday of August. It's your boy Luis Urbieta, the Apostle to Happiness. Today we're going to be reviewing some amazing headphones by Skull Candy. Normally I don't do headphone reviews or anything of this magnitude, but today it's a different video, and we're taking a little break from our diecast reviews. So here you guys have the box in beautiful gloss black. You can see Skull Candy, and then Mini and Mighty. And you can see right there what it says right there. And in here you can see the back. You guys can pause on that if you guys wish. Here's the other side. You guys can pause on that if you guys would like all the deets. And then here are the specs. Not gonna go through all that. And then here is the bottom side deets. And so the owner's manual. So this is what you get with these headphones. So you do get a little mini lanyard. You can see some blue. It is amazing. And the little string. That is nice. Then you have your little things for the earbuds. And here you can see the USB cable. So here you have the USB cable. And then finally have the headphones. So finally you have the headphones as well as the headphone case. Oh, I'm like, obviously this takes two hands. You guys can see the first one. Here you have the deets. You can see that. If you can see that. Look at that. A little bit of some gloss black. So that's the left ear pod. The right ear pod, I mean. And in here is the left. So here we have it. So we're gonna have to, this obviously takes two hands. So there you guys have it. So there you guys have it. The headphones from Skull Candy. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Checking to see if the other pump, the little thing like that. So let me know what you guys think. You guys like them or not? And is this the best set of earbuds? Signing off here, Luis Urbieta, the apostle to happiness. Peace!